Let's turn this simple strip of leather into a mystery braid bracelet. Hey everyone, my name is Gwen, and previously I made videos showing how to make the 5-strand mystery braid bracelet as well as the 7-strand. And today we're going to make the 3-strand mystery braid bracelet. So let's get started. For this 3-strand mystery braid bracelet, I'm using vegetable tan leather that's around 2 millimeters in thickness, which is around 5 ounces. And I'm cutting a strip that's 2 centimeters in width, which is around 3/4 of an inch, which means it's an easy divide into 3 strands. Lengthwise, I make these from around 20 to 28 centimeters, which is between 8 and 11 inch. And I have very small wrists, and the smallest size fits me perfect. I'll be using undyed vegetable tan leather today because it patinas beautifully. You can see this bracelet. I've been wearing this one for around 2.5 years most days, and well, you can just see the patina is absolutely amazing. Okay, so as you can see on the grid here, I stopped the cuts at around 2 centimeters from the end, and 1 centimeter from the end is where I make the mark for my closing, usually a press stud. So you do this on both sides. So at the end of each cut, with the smallest hole punch that I have, which is 2 millimeters, I punch a hole. And this is to prevent the strips from tearing. We do this on both sides. And now we're ready to start braiding. And we start with step 1, taking a left to the middle. Step 2, right to the middle. Step 3, left to the middle. Step 4, feed the bottom through this hole from the front. Step 4. Now you have 2 strands on the left, 1 strand on the right, and we have a hole here. So step 5, we feed the bottom through that gap from the front. Step 6, right to the middle. Step 7, left to the middle. Step 8, right to the middle. So now all your strands are back in normal position. So now we start again at step 1. So step 9 is left to the middle. Step 10, right to the middle. Step 11, left to the middle. Step 12, we have, hold your fingers on here. Step 12, we have this gap here again on the left hand side. So we have 1 strand on the left and 2 on the right. And we're going to fold the bottom through this gap from the front again. So that's step 12. Step 13, we have this gap here, 2 strands on the left, 1 strand on the right. And we're folding the bottom through that from the front again. Now we just need to fold these over a little bit. And basically the braid is done. We just need to even them out a little bit. So the easiest way is just to loosen them up like this. But to really get them into the right place, I like to run them along the edge of the table. And that's what I'm going to do now. So you simply run it along the table like this. Braiding is done, and we're just going to finish off the bracelet. Now I'm going to set the press stud closing. And the finished bracelet. So for those who want to know the shrinkage, like the length that you lose with your braiding, this strip is the exact same length as what we started with. And you can see when I push this flat, it's a little over a centimeter. And we started with 20 centimeters. So it's minimal. There is definitely some shrinkage there, but it's very minimal. Obviously, the longer the bracelet that you're making, like for bigger wrists, the more sequences of braiding you will do, and therefore the more length you will lose. But I would say it's no more than 5 at 10% maximum. So you will just need to try it out with the leather that you want to use.